Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's quick video is about chasing down this classic, historic and vintage Lada Riva car. In addition, we will also chase its glorious history as well. Let's begin. The Lada made its debut in 1970 from the Soviet Union and literally never looked back. It is considered as the third best seller in the world after Ford's Model T and Volkswagen's Beetle. In Soviet Union, it was called Zhiguli, whereas for the rest of the world, it was rebranded as Lada. At the height of its popularity, the Lada was exported to well over 100 countries. Surprisingly, Germany, the automobile giant, was its biggest importer. About 60,000 Ladas were imported to Germany in 1992 alone. Similarly, French, English and Belgians were not far behind either for preferring Lada. Moreover, the car's importer existed as far as Chile and New Zealand. The only industrial nation that never officially imported the Lada was the United States, but that didn't stop American car dealers to import Lada, and that's why a handful of American movies, dramas and other mainstream medias have shown this iconic car. Lastly, why was the Lada so effective and famous? First of all, Lada was an affordable car and it offered more value for money in the affordable car segment. Secondly, Lada as a car was a very solid and durable vehicle. It was specifically designed to meet the harshest of the road and climatic requirements. Its steel panels were 30% thicker than the original Fiat 124. Similarly, its suspension, brakes and engine were also beefed up. Lastly, Lada was very easy to maintain. Its mechanical and electronic systems were rather simple. Also, its spare parts were very easily available from the local markets. Coming up next, I am going to show you the first ever Lada car produced in the USSR at the Togliatti manufacturing plant. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel here. Okay, let's go. You are watching the first ever Lada car, or the Zhiguli car, that was produced at the Togliatti manufacturing plant. It came in blue color and rounded lights, and after a decade or two they swapped these lights with the square ones, but its overall structure remained the same. You can see the date of manufacturing, and it was 19th April 1970, while its model name was VAZ 2101. About the Togliatti manufacturing plant, it was the biggest car manufacturing plant in the world. It used to produce 600,000 cars in one calendar year. Furthermore, every 20 seconds a Lada car was produced there. So that was all about Togliatti and the Lada car itself. I hope you guys would have liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I think I will share you some more information about the local Russian car industry as well. So please stay tuned for that as well. Until then, it's goodbye and see you very soon again.